Okay, finally here at 5:30, a classic Venezuelan dish with an Asian twist. Arepas are on the menu.
We laugh because Jeff loves arepas. If you're not hungry yet, you will be. Time to grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Jose Pacheco, serving up international foods with a Latin flair at Miranda Cuisine and Bar in Miami Springs.
We do Latin cooking, mix it with international food, comfort food. That's what the people like. You can make simple food, but fancy.
Located inside the EB Hotel, Miranda is open 7 days a week for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's also daily happy hours and tapas specials. So stop by and try the dish we're making today. Arepas with pork belly and chicken. Chef Jose starts by making the arepa. He mixes white cornmeal, water, and salt.
This is a very quick dough. It does not take more than 1 minute to prepare.
He uses a little canola oil to help shape the dough before putting the arepa on the grill. It grills for about 3 minutes on each side and then finishes cooking in the oven. Next, Chef Jose pours canola oil in a pan and adds the pork belly.
Always the pork belly first because we need the flavor of the fat coming out.
Next, add salt, diced chicken, and Hoisin sauce, which you can find in the store in the same aisle as the soy sauce. If the pan starts to dry out, pour in a little chicken stock or water. Chopped green onions come last.
Now they're ready to serve.
When the arepa is finished cooking, cut it open and scoop out the inside and fill it with the pork belly and chicken. Chef Jose tops it with pickled onions and a side of Venezuelan-style guacamole and pico de gallo.
We recommend for the arepa our special drink. The gin tonic is made with grapefruit juice, juniper pepper, and rosemary to flame. Enjoy. Welcome to Miranda. This is our arepa made with pork belly, chicken, guasacaca, and pico de gallo. Buen provecho.
Jeff wants one. Well, Jeff probably wants two. I know Jeff. If you want the recipe and you want to read my Bite blog, check it out. It's all on WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and then click on Bite. It's all right there. I think Lynn might want one too, but she's watching her figure, and she may just take a bite of Jeff's. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys Nere. Bon appetito.
I'll eat your portion.
That's usually what happens.
Right.
I had 2 cookies yesterday and you had none.
I had 0.
Okay, so let me give you props.
There you go.